So this girl stabs her boyfriend to death. She is 22 years old. Her name is Ntokoto Mabasa. Their boyfriend was 31. His name was Shichabo Ntsamwisi. Apparently, she made a video in May to say that she found her boyfriend cheating, so she jokingly said that she's going to. And she finally did it. Today, in the early hours of today, she did it. She unalived him. Guys, like, it's becoming a norm. I'm afraid it's becoming a norm. Like, you guys could be sleeping with your killers because it's becoming a norm. Like, for you to take a life, it's nothing. It's business as usual. Like, what do you mean? Like, you don't own anyone. That person is just your boyfriend or your girlfriend. They can cheat if they want. In fact, even if the person is your wife or your husband, if they cheat, just leave them, because actually they don't respect you enough. Stand up and leave. You are not the first person to be cheated on. You will not be the last. We have been there too. We didn't die. We didn't kill anyone. We moved on with our lives. Like, why should we end each other's lives like this? Like, guys, it's too much.